Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop pop-ups and notifications on Waze so you can enjoy a cleaner, less distracting driving experience. Whether you're tired of constant alerts popping up on your screen, or you simply want to stay focused on navigation without interruptions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Waze app on your mobile device and wait for it to load fully on the main map screen. Once you're there, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the three-line menu icon. This opens the main Waze menu, where all your personal settings and preferences are located, so make sure to follow along carefully. Next, tap on Settings from the menu. After entering the Settings page, scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it, and you'll see several notification-related options that control how and when Waze sends you pop-ups and alerts. These settings are designed to give you full control over your experience. Follow the on-screen options as they appear. Everything here is very user-friendly, so there's nothing technical to worry about. To stop pop-ups completely, find the option that says Receive all push notifications and turn it off. This will immediately prevent Waze from sending you pop-up notifications while you're driving or using your phone. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Waze app is updated to the latest version. Double-check your phone's system notification settings if pop-ups still appear. And review these options after app updates. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent notifications from turning back on unexpectedly. Once you've disabled the notifications, make sure to tap Save if prompted, then exit the Settings menu. After that, you should be able to use Waze without pop-ups or distracting alerts interrupting your drive. It's also a good idea to keep only critical alerts enabled if you still want safety-related warnings. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your driving experience calm and focused. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stop pop-ups on Waze easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be dealing with the same issue. Why not make someone's drive a little more peaceful?